Friends, let's take a coin, put in the pushka together, hakhil. And yesterday, I spoke about the bar mitzvah boy becoming doing the sphira, about can he continue to say with the bracha, and we have established, as the Rebbe says, yes, indeed, we can continue saying with the bracha. Let me ask you a scenario. Can you envision sitting at the Yom Tov table? Some people it's Yom Tov, and for some people it's not Yom Tov. Some people will go to shul and do the Yom Tov prayers, and some people will at the same time go and put on their tefillin as a weekday. Now I presume you're going to tell me, yes, obviously. If we have Israeli guests, and that's its role, they only do one day Yom Tov, one day Pesach, one day Sukkot, one day Shavuos, Rosh Hashanah 2 days. But all the other holidays that we do 2 Seders, they only do one. So when they come over here for a visit, they continue to do only one. Same thing and vice versa. When a person from out of Israel goes to Eretz Yisrael for Yom Tov, while they only do one Seder, the person from Chutz La'aretz does 2 Sederim. In fact, I remember as a yeshiva student, we were a group of what they called Chutzlikis, people from out of Eretz Yisrael. We made a second Seder, and I have to tell you, it was quite ironic, because who was in charge? Who was our Shabbos Goy, who opened the light and closed the light for us, who cooked for us, etc.? One of our Rosh Yeshivas. It was a very odd feeling. But nevertheless, you will tell me this is obviously, let's say we're sitting at the Yom Tov table, for us we're making the Seder, and the Israeli will not do the Seder. But that's not what I'm referring to. I'm referring not a guy from Eretz Yisrael or Chutz La'aretz. Either both the Israelis or both not from Eretz Yisrael. Yet one will have Yom Tov and the other one will not have Yom Tov. This is only possible in the holiday of Shavuos. Let me explain. The Torah says, "Usfartem lochem mimachas haShabbos miyoyim avyachem esoyim aratnufa sheva Shabbosos timimos tiyenu." Yes, what does it mean? You should count lochem for yourself 7 complete weeks from the day after Pesach, the second day of Pesach, till Shavuos. The Torah emphasizes over here, Usfartem lochem, count for you. In other words, it is your counting. You must count 49 days to come to the Yom Tov of Shavuos. Now I can't skip a day. But what happens if somebody from Europe or North America travels to Australia during the period of counting of the Omer and passes the date line? He leaves Monday morning, travels for about 24 hours. He's not arriving Tuesday to Australia, he's arriving Wednesday. He lost a day. Let's say where he's going to count 11, it's his 11th day, assuming, they're already counting 12th. And he stays in Australia till after Shavuos. They count the 49th day, he's counting the 48th. They are going to do Shavuos, he's still missing 1 day to count. Where is he doing Shavuos? Same thing in reverse. Somebody from Australia is coming to North America. He leaves on Sunday and is arriving on Sunday. So while we are counting, let's say 11, he's rather counting 12. When we are counting for the 8th day, he's counting for the 9th. The next day for him will be Shavuos. So what comes out, that either he will do a day before we do, or the North American in Australia will do Shavuos a day later. And that's what the Rebbe says, this is the halacha. Why? Because usfartem lochem. The count is so personal. What means it's so personal? We need those 49 days to count to Shavuos. We need this ascension of 49 steps to reach, to be able to receive the Torah. To get to the Yom Tov of Shavuos, we have to prepare ourselves. And those are those 49 gates. We can't skip one, and we can't add one. Which goes to show the importance of these days, the importance of this counting, to make every moment accountable, to make every moment meaningful. Pesach, freedom, Shavuos, Torah. How do we get to it? When we count time, when time is precious. And Eibishter, a definitely precious time already to have the Beis HaMikdash and Moshiach.